Mom's on the go. So today what I'm going to show you is how to pick and cut a pineapple the right way. So first of all, I don't know if you can tell that my pineapple is kind of wet. I washed it because when you're at the store, there's a lot of hands going all over the pineapple. So what I did is I washed it first. So when you're at the store, what you do to see if your pineapple is ripe and it's going to be juicy is you take one of the middle leaves and just give it a pull at the store. And if it pulls out really easy and you don't have to struggle with it, then you know you have a good pineapple, hopefully. So then what you do is you take all of this part, the leaves, and you twist it off like that. Okay, and then here's my little trash bag because I just cut up some watermelon. So that's my little bag that I'm going to throw in the trash. Have my bowl, my container that I'm going to put the pineapple in. So then what I do is I cut off both ends, this end and this end with the knife. So just cut that end. And then I cut the other end. Oh, and something, oh, that smells so good. What I forgot to mention is when you store your pineapple, right before you cut it, you take the pineapple and you store it upside down with the leaves facing down this way. So in your refrigerator, it's going to be like this, right? So that way all the juices will flow through the pineapple. And then when you cut it, it'll be very juicy, okay? So you see I cut both ends off, right? So then what you do is put it flat on one end and then you start cutting around like that. So take this, cut that piece off, cut this piece off, cut that piece off, cut that piece off, just do it all the way around. Okay, and then this is what you're going to be left with. So, and then you have these pieces, and what I just do is I throw these away, and you know, if you cut a lot off of there, actually you can probably do like this and savor some of the meat. Okay, if you don't like to waste things, you can cut that off and savor some of the meat. And all you do after that is just clip some of the shell casing off. All right, make sure that's not in there with any of your pineapple, and you can just slice it. Okay, throw this away in my little trash bag that I have here. I'm gonna get another knife. This one's a little bit big, so I just set that one aside, and I just go through. Well, I'm going to have to use this one again. And sometimes it's a little tough because of the middle part, so you just make your little slices like that. Make sure you're very careful and don't cut yourself. So then I sliced them, and I have slices like this. So then what you do is you see that little middle part right there? You're going to cut around there. So you take it and you slice it like that. Slice it, slice it, slice it. And you're just going to have that middle part that's really hard, you don't eat. You take that and you throw it away. Okay, and you set your other pieces aside. And if you see little bitty, those little brown specks from the shell on there, you just throw that away. So you take the next one. You go around and you throw that part away. You take your next one. Ooh, they're slippery because it's really juicy. And if you see any of the little parts like that, all you have to do is, you know, take that off and throw it away. So there's the middle section there, and you're just going to cut around it, right? And depending upon how your family likes to eat them, again, there's another little bitty piece right there, and I'm just going to take it and just shave that off and throw it away. So depending on how your family likes them, you may have to split them again, and then we'll do that in a minute. And you may have to split it again and make it smaller, and then you cut the pieces off like that, right? And you just, I'm going to split this one too. It's kind of thick. Make it thin a little bit, and then I'm going to just cut the pieces and make it smaller, right? And do the same thing for those. This one again, I'm going to half it down the middle and make that smaller. Okay, so then I'm going to go through the rest of these as well. I almost left this in the refrigerator too long, because you see these little pieces like that. It's almost where it's gotten it's really too cold in our refrigerator, so I'm going to take that and cut that off. Alright, it's probably still good. Oh my god. It's juicy. Oh my god, and oh, it's so delicious. My daughter is absolutely going to love it. She loves pineapple. So I'm going to finish cutting these. Oops, missed the bag there. Not a problem. Slice these up. Those in there, slice them, make them a little bit smaller, slice them. Okay. So then I just take my container and do it like that, put it in there, make sure the juices go in there. Left with that, I'm going to put that in the sink along with my 2 knives. Then I'm going to take the 2 lids, put these on here, and then I'm going to be able to store them like this in the refrigerator, so when anyone comes to the refrigerator, they can just take this out, eat some of those, take your watermelon out. And I purchased these Tupperware containers, and they came with 2 more. I purchased these at Pally Royal, and I love them because you can see through them, and you can just, you know, open your refrigerator, see what you have in there. Yes, something healthy, something healthy. So I usually only put my fruits in here, so everybody can see what it is. Eat healthy. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.